No? Hey, how you doing? This is Jason Marks again, coming out of South Bend, Indiana. Right now, we are rendering our bacon. We got our onion in there. We got our mushroom. And we're getting ready to
add our
cook
beans.
Add our beans.
And boys,
in another about 20 minutes.
This is the way we eat beans up in Indiana. Huh?
This is the way it's done, fellas. This is the way it's done.
It's a Jeffrey Larisco, Avril Castura.
Ako sa Muguoro.
Acá llamamos Muguoro,
Francesco grandson, Rosako, Omechka.
Techao Piao for a weekend, Memorial Day weekend. Francesca, God bless him. This is familiar, Kakusa Mugukak.
This is Pop out of the Castillo and Chapirco Chow. Everybody knows me, I'm pretty sure.
Well known man, boys.
Here for time being. We got our eggplants here for some sauce we're making. And
we call it chili mole.
We call it chili mole the right way it's done. Not the raw way, but the...
Not the imitation way.
Not the imitation
the real
way.
We
wanted this stuff here.
This is what it's...
This is our chili mole.
That's the way we do it.
We got our eggplants on there.
Boys.
We got our eggplants on there.
In a little while, we're going to be doing some steaks. And I'm pretty sure we're going to put to Jason, tell Jeff, he's going to do it the right way for you guys. We'll get back to you guys in a little while. Amen. But you got to have your cold beer to go with it. We're